I know it's here somewhere. Finally. Oh, it's time for the doctor. You're listening to Dr. Bill, the computer curmudgeon. Take it away, Doctor.
Well, it's that time again, and the doctor is in. It's time once again for Dr. Bill, the computer curmudgeon. Yes, indeed. And this week, we've got some good stuff on this show. As usual, my hat's a little crooked. I didn't notice that until I started shooting. Makes my head tilted. Anyway, we are proud members of the Tech Podcast Network, techpodcast.com. If it's tech, it's right here on Dr. Bill, the computer curmudgeon. We're also proud members of the International Association of Internet Broadcasters. Yes, indeed. Well, once again this week, we don't have anything on the show from the blog. I haven't had a lot of time to blog. I've been doing so many things. But our blog is drbill.tv. Now, you may notice that I have here https www.drbill.tv there on the lower third. I've been having issues with my web host provider, who shall remain nameless. Don't want to embarrass them. But I have submitted an issue with them about the fact that my site is not working with HTTPS, meaning there's a problem with the SSL cert on their end. Not with me, okay? Those of you out there going, well, Dr. Bill, you ought to get your cert fixed. Tell me about it. But it's not my server. It's their server. So they're going to have to fix it. So if you go there and it says, don't go there, there are problems with the site. You can go down and click on the go there anyway, because it's a problem with the cert. It's not a problem with the site not being secure. It's been a long couple of weeks. That's why I've been so frustrated about this show, because I want to do this show. I have things to share with you, but I've just got so many other things going on, drawing my attention away to other things. Long story. Anyway, I want to share something with you very important, and that is this. The sponsor of the show this week is IPVANISH. Now, before you go, oh man, a commercial, hold on. Check this out. This is their summer sale. Far as I know, they've never done this before. If you go to http://drbill.tv, notice I didn't put an S. drbill.tv/VPN, you will see a lifetime discount, 59% off. Wow. This is a lifetime discount. That means if you ever, do have to renew it and you renew it, you'll still get it at this low discount price. Dude, that's pretty cool. So check that out. Anyway, that was actually pretty exciting right there. I mean, that was pretty cool that they did that. I did get that email about that, and I was happy that I did. Now, check this out. Yes, I'm referring to the microphone. I know it's taking up a bit of the screen with this stand here, but this microphone is a professional studio microphone, voiceover studio microphone. This is a Shure SM7B. This is like if you had a Chevy in the driveway, okay, that would have been one of my past microphones. This is a Lamborghini, and it costs that too for a microphone. But it is, I'm going to make this squeak, but check this out. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Shure SM7B. I know it's got this squeaky going on. Squeak, squeak, squeak. But that's not the SM7B. That is the microphone, arm here. Boy, my hand looks so big because of the webcam making it look a little distorted. That's okay. Anyway, wanted to share that with you because this is awesome. And the dulcet tones of my voice are clearer than ever, he says with the FMDJ voice. Anyway, I like it. So I have something for you. And that is a Geek Software of the Week. Yes, Fred. Fred's been itching to play that Geek Software of the Week drum roll for so long. We haven't had a Geek Software of the Week. But this is a good one. I know, countrified. Anyway, this is some software that I want to demo for you. Let's just go ahead and go into that video right now. All right, gang, we're going to look at something I think you will find really interesting, and that's O ShutUp10. I love the name of this software. This software gives you full control over functions of Windows that maybe you don't want to use. I know there's a lot in Windows that I don't want to use. Let's go ahead and download this thing here. We'll click on the download button. I'm going to put it in my downloads directory, which is where it should have already been, but I was doing other things. So we're going to put that there. It says it already exists because I've already downloaded it. So we're going to replace it anyway. Now you can subscribe to the newsletter here. Newsletter. That's a little slip of the tongue that may be a little Freudian slip. But at any rate, the newsletter for the organization here, but we're not gonna do that. Now down here we've got the program. We can install it. As you might imagine, I've already installed it once, but I'm going to go ahead and reinstall. There we go, and here it is. It's very quick, and it has detected change made since it was last used. That's because I have re-enabled certain things that it did. Now, you can choose to accept the options that it has checked, all right, if you want. But you probably want to review them. Now, you can come in here and apply only the recommended settings, and you can run it and do recommended and somewhat recommended settings, or you can apply all settings. You can also undo your changes and create a system restore point. Now, obviously, I would encourage you to set a restore point before you do anything in this particular program. What this is going to do, it's going to save you the trouble of making changes yourself in the registry, making changes yourself in group policy. It's going to do a lot of that for you, okay? Now, that's good and that's bad. You've got to trust this program if you're going to do that. One of the things it's going to do is it's going to, by default, if you accept all the recommendations, it's going to remove Microsoft OneDrive, okay? It's also going to remove games that Microsoft has installed from the Microsoft Store, which you may have noticed if you do an upgrade on a Windows machine, it will sometimes install those things automatically for you. I don't like those stupid little games, and so I am really glad that this kind of one-stop shopping thing here will get rid of it. I really recommend this. I have run this at the recommended settings. I have since gone back and tweaked it a bit, which is why it said there have been changes since this was last run. But that's pretty much it. You can exit this. Now notice you can import and export settings as well. And do you want to close it? Yes. Read this website, oo-software.com/en/shutup10. And basically it greatly enhances your privacy in Windows and also gets rid of all of that mess that the evil empire wants to put on your machine. So I highly encourage you to check out ShutUp10. I do love that name. All right, that'll do it for this Geek Software of the Week. See? Isn't that cool? Now, I mentioned in that video that you would lose OneDrive. You can uncheck that and not do that. Or, actually, I was talking about a PowerShell script, which I have available. I'll probably go ahead and do an article on that and post it immediately after putting out this video today, because there are several caveats with that script that you really need to know what it does before you jump into doing it. Okay? I used it, and I used the PowerShell script on my computer, and I like what it did. But it's pretty doggone powerful. And it assumes the evil empire, Microsoft, is going to be evil. And it takes out some of the evilness from your Windows installation. You know, but be prepared. It's pretty hefty. Anyway, I'll share that with you on the old blog. The blog, of course, being drbill.tv, as I said before the demo. Okay? So, now, let's see. Oh, yes, Evil Empire reminded me. The Evil Empire, of course, is being, I guess, superseded, maybe? Microsoft, to me, has always been the evil empire. Google is now not only in the running for being the evil empire, I think they actually have taken that position. Now, not that Microsoft isn't evil. They're still evil. But Google is eviler. Yes. I know this because I have searched on some things that, shall we say, are slightly controversial of late, politically speaking, and they just show me search content that they want me to see. In other words, they want to make my mind up for me. They don't want to just show me what's out there and let me make up my mind. No, they want to say, here's what we think you need to see. And that's evil. I'll make up my own mind. I always do anyway, because I'm just that way. But anyway, boy, there's just been a lot. There's been a lot of weirdness. A lot of weirdness going on. I'll leave it at that. But at any rate, hope this show has been helpful to you, or at least quasi-interesting. If it has, click on that little subscribe button down there, and also on the notify bell, ping, or is it ding, to be notified when more videos come out. And you know, if you want to contribute to this program's continuity, then I encourage you to go to patreon.com/DrBill, D-R-B-I-L-L, D-R-B-I-L-L. The tongue just started going. At any rate, I'm in an odd mood. What can I say? Join us again next time. Remember until then that the doctor... Lots of digging going on. The doctor is out of here.
Dr. Bill the Computer Curmudgeon is a production of DrBillDaily.net with all the honors, rights, and privileges thereunto appertaining.